You wouldn't even dare think about this. A big cryptocurrency market called Coinbase is raising the price of XRP Ripple to $589. People, this is not normal at all. In the whole history of cryptocurrencies, this has never happened before. How is this even possible? What's going on? Let's figure it out. You'll be amazed. Nota bene, XRP Ripple is one of the most important digital assets in the crypto world, but it has been through some rough times, especially with ongoing problems with regulators. But recent events, especially those involving Coinbase, may point to a bright future for XRP and everyone involved with it. The current court case between Coinbase and the Securities and Exchange Commission has made people very interested in how cryptocurrencies are regulated. Paul Grohl, who is the chief legal officer of Coinbase, has spoken out against the SEC's rules. Grohl slammed the SEC for not following its usual Wells notice process in its case against Coinbase. He said the regulator was abusing its power and abusing its power and abusing its authority in a big way. Whenever the SEC said that Ripple sold XRP in a way that wasn't authorized by the SEC, this lawsuit has put a long shadow over XRP, which has hurt its value on the market and its popularity. But the fact that the SEC's enforcement methods were looked at closely in the Coinbase case could work out well for Ripple. Grohl's criticism and the court wins against the SEC's handling of similar cases like Depeg support the idea that the SEC's method may be wrong. If more people question the SEC's methods and authority, it could help Ripple win its legal fight. A big cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase, is still supporting XRP by not delisting it, despite reports to the contrary. This is a strong sign that prices will continue to rise. It shows that people are sure that XRP will be around for a long time and that regulations will become clearer. More and more people are angry about how strict the SEC is being with its regulation. Well-known people in the crypto business. Some people like Hayden Adams, founder of Uniswap, and Rodrigo Silva Herzog, special counsel at Cooley LLP, have said that the SEC's method is wrong. They say that the SEC's actions don't encourage creativity through clear and fair rules. Instead, they slow down growth and make things uncertain. The fact that a federal judge in the Depeg case said the SEC was making false statements and misrepresenting facts makes the SEC strategy even less credible. Two CC lawyers who were working on that case quit, which makes people even less sure about the agency's plan. As XRP Ripple deals with these rough legal waters, how the industry as a whole responds to see regulation could be very important. Because Coinbase has been strong and continues to support XRP, and because the SEC's methods are getting more and more criticized, the regulatory environment might finally get better for Ripple. This changing environment could be a sign that XRP is going up. XRP could see a rise in popularity and trust if Ripple gets a good result in court or if regulations become clearer. If the industry backs Ripple and the SEC's actions are closely watched by the courts, it could tip the balance in Ripple's favor and make XRP a key part of the digital payments change. Did you know that one of the biggest cryptocurrency platforms is involved in a high-stakes court case that could help XRP Ripple? Learn more about what's really going on behind the scenes in the current Ripple vs. SEC case. Could Coinbase's sudden help be the big change that Ripple needs? This news could be the biggest sign of hope for the market yet. Don't miss this, so stay tuned. So, in a new interview, Linda Jones gave some amazing insights. She hinted at 3 big events that could have a huge impact on the future of XRP in the next 18 months. A possible deal with the SEC, the use of the XRP ledger in Japan, and the news of an IPO in the USA. This has made people in the crypto world very excited about when the SEC and Ripple might announce a settlement. Jeremy Hogan, a lawyer who supports XRP, gave people hope when he said the Ripple vs. SEC briefs are finished. We are now just waiting for the judge. Stuart Alderoty, Ripple's chief legal officer, has also been very critical of how the SEC is handling the XRP lawsuit, saying that it is like the crazy and horrible court processes in Franz Kafka's The Trial. Alderoty's comparison shows what he considers to be the SEC's unclear and erratic actions, which he says not only affect Ripple, but also set a bad example for the whole cryptocurrency industry, encompassing big names like Robinhood and Coinbase. Alderoty's criticism brings up a bigger problem that crypto companies face when they try to follow the rules set by regulators. For a long time, Ripple has said that the SEC's method isn't clear or fair because it changes its mind a lot, making things unpredictable for businesses in the space. The SEC wants almost $2 billion from Ripple because it says the company sold XRP to institutional buyers as unregistered securities. When Ripple fights back, on the other hand, they seal some papers to keep private financial information safe. These papers show details about money made, money spent, and the discounts that XRP was offered to institutions at. Ripple says that sharing these kinds of information could hurt its business and put its partners' privacy at risk. Even though the SEC wants a bigger fine, Ripple says any legal penalty should be no more than $10 million. Ripple takes this stance because it thinks that the SEC's demand for $2 billion is too harsh and not in line with how it actually works. Ripple's argument shows the conflict between the need for fair and consistent business conditions for cryptocurrency companies and the need for strict regulation. People are also talking more generally about the SEC's role in regulating cryptocurrencies because of Ripple's court case. Stuart Alderoty has praised attempts by both Democrats and Republicans in the House of Representatives to limit the SEC's excessive power. The House recently decided to overturn the SEC's staff accounting bulletin, which said that banks had to list their customers' cryptocurrency holdings on their balance sheets. People in the business see this as a big response to what many of them see as the crypto world is waiting for the judge to make a ruling in the case between Ripple and the SEC. The chance of a deal this summer makes things even more exciting and anticipated. Ripple may be able to clear up this legal issue, which could lead to clearer rules and growth across the whole business. As more people speak out against the SEC's overreach, Coinbase's backing could be the spark that sets off a bullish future for XRP. Of course, it makes sense to think that events of this size could drive up the price of XRP Ripple to levels that have never been seen before. That's why we asked the experts, and I promise you, you won't want to miss their prediction. This is really a big deal. Watch this space to learn why XRP may have a better future than ever. So even though the cryptocurrency markets have been stable lately, XRP, the digital asset designed for sending money across borders, has stayed steady around $0.50. This strength is impressive, especially considering how unpredictable the market is as a whole. Market analysts like CryptoBillby are optimistic about XRP's long-term chances, even though short-term price changes are still hard to predict. CryptoBillby's research looks at specific patterns seen in the XRP and USD charts which point to a possible rise in the price of XRP. A declining triangle pattern on the XRP and BTC chart from 2015 to early 2017 is an important thing to note. During this time, Bitcoin was much faster than XRP, but in early 2017, XRP broke out of this trend and started doing better than Bitcoin. This was a major change. Both the XRP and USD and XRP and BTC charts show that XRP may be following the same technical trends that were seen during the 2017 bull run. Based on CryptoBillby's research, the value of XRP could rise to $33 on the XRP chart. But after that, there will likely be a period of consolidation, followed by a recovery rise that could send XRP to $589. But it's important to keep expectations in check. XRP's current price would have to go up by an incredible 116,000% in order to reach $589. A lot of people in the business think this target is very unlikely and based on speculation. The $589 price goal has caused a lot of discussion in the XRP community, with some supporters saying it makes sense given the size of Bitcoin's market capitalization. Still, it's important to be skeptical and careful when listening to these kinds of statements. The near future price direction of XRP is still unclear, but based on past trends, technical analysis suggests that the price could go up in the future. Also, the fact that XRP is still losing value on the market shows that investors are still confident in its long-term viability. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? Do you think XRP Ripple will go up? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Thank you for reading. If you liked it, please click the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and most importantly, don't forget to follow.